Hello everyone, welcome to the class. Now, there are some most frequently asked questions we often encounter. How to use Android for hacking? What is the best app for hacking an Android? The answer to these queries is Termux. But there are a lot of misconceptions about this application. Many of us think Termux turns the Android into a hacking machine. Well, it's true, but only to a limited extent. The main questions are, what is Termux and how it works? How to use it? Is it a standalone source of hacking? In today's video, I'm going to discuss every single detail about Termux. Also, I'll clear all the misconceptions about the Termux. We'll find out whether it is a hacking machine or just a normal command line utility. So let's begin. Now, the first question arrives. What is a Termux? A Termux is a Linux terminal emulator application for Android. A terminal emulator is a program that allows the users to access the command line interface, that is CLI, in a graphical environment. Now, if you have studied the basics of computer, you must know about the shell and command line interface. If not, we have a short video of shell which will clear your all concept regarding shell. Now we'll quickly come across the features of Termux. First, Termux is secure. It is feature packed. Termux is customizable. Also, Termux is explorable. Also, it is with batteries included. Now, can you imagine a more powerful yet elegant pocket calculator than a read line powered Python console? Up-to-date versions of Perl, Python, Ruby and Node.js are all available. It is ready to scale up. Connect a Bluetooth keyboard and hook up your device to an external display if you need to. Termux supports keyboard shortcuts and has full mouse support. Also, Termux is tinkerable. Developed by compiling C files with Clang and build your own projects with CMake and pkgconfig. Both GDB and strans are available if you get stuck and need to debug. So these are the features of Termux. Thank you so much for this class. See you in the next class.